Okay, so I had some people coming to me and telling me I live in a crappy hotel or a crappy apartment. Actually, dear, I live in the most luxurious apartment or in townhouse. Well, actually, apartment, townhouse, whatever you want to put it, in the whole area. In fact, it's rated 5 stars on Google. I'll let you figure it out. This is my closet, by the way. Okay? And now, my bedroom. It's huge. You see that? In the bedroom is my bathroom that has an amazing, huge, shower area. Oh, look, there's me right there. Come, darling. Then I go over here, and then the other huge bathroom. This is my son's bathroom on the upstairs. We're on the upstairs, darling. And then, oh, I can't. There's no light bulb in here. Well, this is one of the bedrooms. The other bedroom. Oh, look at this. I haven't filled it up yet. Look at, we have a beautiful linen closet here. Still organizing. And we're going down my beautiful staircase. As you can see. Look at this. All carpeting. All the way down the stairs. It's nothing but carpeting. Luxurious carpeting. And if you're laughing at me because I'm out of breath, I don't care. I have fibromyalgia and very good possibility I have breast cancer. So there's that. So we're going down my luxury stairs into, oh, by the way, hardwood floors, into my huge, giant, luxurious, you see how big this is? Kitchen. It's huge. It's just huge. And then,
hi, Mama.
In here, hi, we have the dining room. As you can see, I'm unpacking. And then, bitches, if it's not only that, we have the third bathroom with a huge vanity. This is a half bathroom. It doesn't have a bath in it. This is downstairs. And then, darlings, we have this huge laundry room here. See, there's big old space there so my kitty cat can have its space. And then, yeah, crappy apartment, huh? And then we have the huge, beyond huge living room. Oh, and by the way, darling, that fireplace, wood burning. And then we have my beautiful yard. No, you ain't coming. Go. My beautiful yard. Oh, look at that. I have a beautiful yard back here. And it's got a high fence so no one can see me. And then it has a little garden plot there. And another garden plots all over for me to do whatever I want. So, I mean, if you want to say I have a crappy apartment, if you want to say that I'm a loser and I don't know how to do things, well, babies, let me just tell you, I live in the best luxury apartments in the area. So go ahead. Call me poor, call me a loser, say I'm lying all you want. But I guarantee you don't have an apartment that looks as fabulous as mine. So enjoy. Be jealous. I will lay here in my pink fuzzy bed while you wallop in your pain and misery. Ha 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 ha.